When you're playing for high stakes, you need the right gear. And with the new G432 7.1 surround sound gaming headset from Logitech G, you'll hear the enemy approaching from all angles. The G432 is all about audio performance, as it boasts upgraded DTS Headphone X 2.0 technology that allows your games to take full advantage of 7.1 surround sound. In fiercely competitive games, hearing precisely where your opponents are in the virtual environment provides a genuine tactical advantage. The previous generation headphones 40mm drivers have now been replaced by bigger and better 50mm drivers, delivering richer audio, stronger bass response, and enhanced overall fidelity. The G432 is also designed for convenience. You can instantly mute and unmute your mic whenever you want, simply by flipping the headset's attached boom up and down. Headset-mounted volume controls are also always within easy reach, so no matter what situation you find yourself in, you're always in control. The Logitech G432 also comes with USB DAC and 3.5mm inputs, so you can enjoy cross-platform compatibility, effortlessly switching from PC to console. Also out now, the G332 stereo gaming headset delivers incredible stereo sound through its own set of 50mm drivers and enjoys the same mic quality, ear cup comfort, and elegant design as the G432. To learn more about both the G432 and G332 gaming headsets, head on over to logitechg.com.
Power on. Pairing. Side tone. Side tone off. EQ 1. Footsteps.
If your headset looks like a toy, sounds like a toy, and craps out like a toy, it's a toy. At SteelSeries, we've created a true next-gen headset. It's got next-gen connectivity, wireless, lossless, no delay, no drop, award-winning audio that you won't get on Bluetooth. Next-gen power-efficient chipset with best-in-class battery performance, and it's made from reinforced steel, so it's going to last until next gen. Your next-gen headset is already here. Get next-gen performance for next-gen gaming. For glory.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.